What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Audifort before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the works. What is Audifort? Audifort is a 100% natural, plant-based hearing support supplement designed to promote overall auditory health and restore clarity in hearing. Packed with antioxidants, bioactive compounds, and anti-inflammatory agents, this advanced formula supports the ears, brain, and nervous system in maintaining healthy hearing function. Many hearing challenges, such as tinnitus, inner ear damage, poor circulation, and oxidative stress, are linked to aging, environmental toxins, and lifestyle factors. Audifort is carefully formulated to address these root causes rather than just masking the symptoms. By supporting blood flow to the inner ear and protecting the auditory cortex, it helps improve sound perception, reduce ringing and buzzing noises, and enhance focus and mental sharpness. One of the unique aspects of Audifort is its ability to help manage stress and anxiety, which are often overlooked but directly connected to hearing decline and tinnitus. The natural ingredients in the formula work synergistically to calm the nervous system, support a balanced mood, and reduce the psychological burden associated with persistent ear ringing. Audifort is especially suitable for men and women between the ages of 30 and 70, offering gentle yet effective support for maintaining ear health over time. Users have reported noticeable improvements, including clearer conversations, reduced background noise interference, better focus, and fewer sleep disturbances caused by tinnitus. Manufactured in the United States under FDA-registered facilities that follow strict good manufacturing practices, Audifort ensures purity, safety, and quality in every capsule. It is completely non-GMO, free from harmful additives, and easy to incorporate into daily routines, making it a safe long-term solution for anyone looking to protect and enhance their hearing naturally. How does Audifort work? Audifort works by addressing the root causes of hearing difficulties rather than simply masking symptoms. Its unique formula is based on modern research into the close relationship between the brain and auditory system, focusing on how disrupted neural communication and chronic inflammation can affect hearing clarity and trigger tinnitus. One of the primary culprits behind hearing decline is oxidative stress. This condition damages delicate auditory cells, leading to inflammation in the inner ear. When inflammation occurs, it interferes with the way signals travel between auditory cells and the brain. Specifically, it activates glial cells and disrupts gap junction proteins, which are vital for smooth neural communication. These disruptions can eventually create synaptic imbalances, leading to the constant ringing, buzzing, or muffled sounds often linked with tinnitus. Chronic inflammation also releases inflammatory mediators that impair the function of auditory neurons. When this happens, the brain struggles to process sound properly, and in some cases, it may adapt in unhealthy ways, further worsening hearing decline and cognitive sharpness over time. Audifort's formula is designed to interrupt this cycle and restore balance. By delivering a powerful blend of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, it works to reduce oxidative stress that damages auditory pathways, calm inflammation in the inner ear and auditory cortex, support microcirculation, ensuring proper blood and nutrient flow to the ears, promote healthy neural communication for clearer sound processing. With consistent use, Audifort helps create a more stable and supportive environment for auditory cells and nerves to thrive. Many users report improvements such as sharper hearing, reduced ringing in the ears, better focus, and improved overall brain-auditory connection.